Hello, I'm Michael Lynch, and I am the owner of 3D Shape Engineering. I'm a custom 3D print shop based in Louisville, Kentucky. I print a variety of different things, including camera equipment, drone equipment, and essentially I love creating all sorts of solutions to individual problems, like camera sliders. This particular product was just something that I came up with. Something like this door gap, it just removes the gap from a door striker so you can actually close your door. So there's a lot of flexibility with 3D printing. You can have multiple colors. Pretty much, there's tons. Like there's limited list opportunities as long as suppliers have the color. And of course, there are many different materials. There's rubber materials, nylon, polycarbonate. There are carbon fiber and fiberglass composite materials. So all sorts of different applications, different strengths and thicknesses, and as well as flexibility is pretty much endless with this 3D printing. So if someone has an idea, like a basic sketch, preferably the more information the better, like an actual drawing is preferable. I can go ahead and run that through CAD and design it myself. I've been using CAD for a good 5 years with my 3D printing expertise, and I know how to design things to be 3D printable, which is the main difference from just a basic design. So as long as you have an idea that is feasible for 3D printing, I can usually design it. I'll tell you pretty quick. So smallest application would typically be something like, I could do like a square inch or a cubed inch, and biggest application right now is about 8 inches cubed, but I am working on larger size printers. So again, I'm Michael Lynch, and this is 3D Shape Engineering. You can find me at 3dshapeengineering.com or on Instagram as 3D Shape Engineering, as well as Facebook.